If you are going to do strength training exercises, don't do this. You might complete the exercises faster, but you aren't keeping your muscles under tension for long enough, and you are just increasing your chances of injury. And while this video is obviously a little exaggerated, one of the most important strength training tips that I can give you that will improve your results and decrease your chance of injuries is performing your strength training exercises slowly and under complete control, unless your training goals dictate otherwise. For example, you are training specifically for a sport. So what speed should you do your strength training exercises? As a quick guide, if you are performing strength training exercises in group classes, circuits, or workout drills where you are required to do as many repetitions as you can in a given time frame, you should perform a slow and controlled tempo where it takes you 1 to 2 seconds for both the concentric and eccentric phase of the exercise that you are completing, while pausing for 1 second at the top of the lift. Then, for pure strength training workouts, where you are given a set number of repetitions and sets to complete, such as 3 sets of 12 reps, I recommend you perform a tempo of 1030. This tempo simply means that during the concentric phase of the exercise, when you are overcoming the resistance, it takes you 1 second. Then 0 at the top, so you come straight back down for 1, 2 and 3 seconds of the eccentric phase of the movement, and then back up for 1 and back down for 3. 1, 2 and 3. All the time maintaining a strong contraction in the muscle or muscles you are targeting. If you slow down your exercises like this and increase your muscles' time under tension, you will notice a significant difference to the difficulty of your exercises and workouts, along with your results in strength.